right, the last of the three amigos. There's the downed ones over there. Bombay Sapphire, the Korean's Lager, and the gin and tonic with the Bombay. So this is the Jameson and Coke we're gonna do. Here's the, So, Jameson, Irish whiskey, I think everybody knows this at this point. And 40% alcohol by volume, as is standard. Nothing really much to say on this bottle here. So, let's do it.
It's so dark you can't really tell.
That better?
No, I mean your face is all dark. Oh, there we go.
It's gotta work the light, girl. Work the light. Does make the best whiskey and Coke ever. My God, that's smooth and just like ridiculously rich and flavorful. Oh, it's so good. Man, that shot. Yeah, good, right?
Yeah, real good.
So, Jameson and Coke. Nothing further necessary, I don't think, on that one. There's some more stuff in the book here. Let me show you. Let me get it out. I got it. Here's the Aer Lingus menu. So let's flip. Here's foods. Here's what they got drink-wise.
Cork dry gin.
Yeah, we could always try that. Sailor Jerry rum.
Some nice gasoline.
Yeah.
Johnny Walker.
So there's the drink menu. They got a bunch of other stuff here too. Some food and all that jazz. But so here we are at 35,000 feet. Cruising at 515 miles an hour. Just about 4 hours, 15 minutes from Boston, Logan. Once again, Jameson and Coke.